और डॉक्टर अजीत मोहन जी को स्पीच के लिए मैं बुलाता हूँ। डॉक्टर अजीत मोहन डायरेक्ट स्पीच के लिए आप आइए।
नमस्कार मेरे सभी गुरुजनों और यहाँ बैठे हुए सब विद्वान जन। आई एम डॉक्टर अजीत मोहन and very timeless and you also everyone has to take the opportunity to talk here, but I'll take only few minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. So common whatever I have done research on my thesis, and I will say 2-3 formulas. Last August I have gone to Oxford University, UK, London, and there I have my clients. They have facing the depression and autism problem of their child. In that case, I have only small thing instructed them, and they are now very good. Last in 6 months we have got the result, and now that kids is able to talk, and their hyperactive has been reduced to a maximum extent. And what the formula I have mentioned, that they are not going for the sunlight. They were always in the dark room, and they were keeping themselves isolated. Most of the kids in the UK, London, and Scotland, Ireland, all that belt, people are keeping their child inside the home. They are not taking them out to the atmosphere and sunlight and all. Because sunlight, if you are going, then we will get the sun and sun's ray and the energy from the sun we are getting. That deficiency they are facing, as well as mercury's deficiency they are facing. I have suggested only ask them to stay only 5 minutes in the sunlight, and daily they have to chant some mantras or something. Whether they are following or not following, I don't know. But naturopathy they are following. In that case, they are getting benefited. And I got the result also. In 6 months, maximum 80% of the problem solved. Now currently I have 23 autism kids. From them, among them, 14 are recovered. That is a great achievement for our astrological society, astrological people. Then if you are calculating properly, if you are analyzing properly, then we will get the proper result. And see, this why I am mentioning here autism and all. Medical science has still not developed the root cause why autism is happening to the kids nowadays, and why that autism and hypertension, lower tension, and in all the fields they are getting neglected themselves, and they are not getting that much confidence level. Those problems are they are facing. So my request, then we have to have in our astrological society, I can mention that we have to analyze the Kundali first properly also. We have to see the second house, fifth house, and even ninth house, and most important Lagna, first house. And we have to see the position of the all related planets. You all know that which planets are Karaka of which problems. Everyone knows, everyone is intelligent. I agree with that. And so that I not elaborate all those things. Many clients are there like that, and we have to just focus on ourselves. And Vastu also, so many problems are happening. Now currently you might have been seeing due to Vastu problem, one major incident happened in India. Not India, and big tycoon. You might be knowing Vedanta Group. Last November 19th, I have visited Vedanta Group in Jharsuguda for a Vastu visit. And I have instructed them, I have alerted them. The many incidents may occur here due to this. It has not been properly done as per Vastu. That one administrative building they are constructing, and it has not been properly aligned, and many deficiencies are there, and many deviations are there. I alerted their management also, and in that last month their CEOs, Ajay Tripathi Mohan is living, his wife has got death, and who are involved in the project, those persons also getting affected by medical issues and injuries. And now last 3 days back, you all know owner's son died because of this only. He was in US skiing, and after that he has admitted in a hospital. In that, even though he has got cardiac arrest, and he lost his this one. I don't think they have rectified the problem or not till yet, but I think it has not been done up to the mark. So that I request all that we have to guide our clients in a scientific way so that they can understand and they can do the thing properly. Okay, that was I'll say. Thank you for this opportunity, Mr. Babu, and thanks a lot.
ଗୋଟେ
I need all
conference ର ଗୋଟେ
of your
ଅଛି ତ sir?
blessings. Thank you, namaskar.
थैंक यू। आपने ज्योतिष को एक विज्ञान के साथ जोड़े, बाकी जो कि है कि ज्योतिष हो या फिर वास्तु हो, ये साइंस है।